In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage inventory on Shopify. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. So go to admin.shopify.com and log into your account. Now to manage your inventory, the first thing that you want to do is go to your products. So right here on the left side, you'll see products. So just click on products and you'll see all of your products right here. So now let's just select a product. Let's say this. Scroll down. Oh, just let's choose a product that we created. So let's say this one. And you scroll down right here on our product, we'll see the inventory section right here. So what you want to do is simply check this track quantity option. So when you check this track quantity option, it means that the inventory management has started. So you can also uncheck or check this option that says continue selling when out of stock. So let's say that your product is already run out of stock. You can still sell it and you can deliver or make the purchase of that customer when you have gained the new stocks. And now let's head over our inventory overview. So here in the left hand side, you'll see inventory just below the menu of our products. Now you'll see all of your products right here. So this is the inventory. Of course, in the inventory, you'll see all of your products. From here, you'll see your inventory. You'll see the list of your products. You'll see their SKU. You'll see if they're available, if there is products available or out of stock. So you'll see it right here, available, on hand. Of course, you can set it right here. You can see like that. Also, you can toggle the location of where this inventory is from. So as you can see, I have my shop location. This is mine. This is from the apps. So let's say, so as you can see, this is from Dropshipman. So this is an app, and I use this app to import some products to my Shopify store. So this will have a separate inventory location. I can also select this other app. So as you can see, I have my imported product right here and your own shop location. Now, the next thing that we're going to talk about is this learn more about managing inventory. So you can simply click here and it will redirect you to a article or Shopify Help Center right here. So in this section, you will see getting started with inventory, managing inventory quantities, inventory transfers, purchase orders, ABC inventory analysis, understanding inventory management. So you can simply check out all of these articles if you're confused with something. Now, here in our inventory page, we can also export and import. So let's say we're going to export this inventory. So all quantity types, all variants, CSV for Excel numbers. So let's just export it as plain CSV file. So now it will be exported to your email. So from there, you can open the email. So let's just see the email first. As you can see right here, I can download the CSV file. I'm going to open the CSV file. And it will look something like this. So as you can see, this is your inventory in Excel file. So you'll see the handle right here. So this is the title and the handles. You'll also see the options right here, name, color, and the variations. Now, if you want to import your inventory, you can simply edit files in Excel like this and turn it into a CSV file. And we want to go back to Shopify. So let's just go back to Shopify here and click on import. Now you need the CSV file. So on your Excel, just save it as a CSV file, and now you can add it to your inventory. So you can export and import files from your inventory. So that's how you can manage if you're a bit confused on how this inventory works here in the website. Also, you can also add locations right here in inventory. So as you can see, I have 3 locations, right? This is my shop location, this is the app's locations, and we can also add another location. So let's just go to our settings and select locations. And as you can see, I only have 1 location right here. This is my shop location. So you can simply add a new location right here. And when you add one, you can simply hover it right here in your inventory. So this is the inventory. So this is all the products in this specific location. So that is what you need to know. So if you have added a new location, you want to make sure also that only the products in that specific location is here in your inventory to avoid confusion. So in conclusion, this is what your inventory looks like, and you can select the locations right here. You can also export and import files. You can export your files and add it in an Excel format, and you can also import files from CSV format to your Shopify inventory. So in conclusion, this is basically how you want to manage your inventory. So you'll see right here how many products is available and on hand, which is unavailable. And again, as I told you, if you're confused with something, you can just go to the Shopify Help Center. You'll read a bunch of different articles right here regarding on how to track and manage your inventory. So that's basically it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.